get delivery like a G.
Steve, hungry dogs gotta eat.
I get mines every day, every week. Chicken wings to the crib I'm sitting in.
Tacos to the chateau, please.
Did somebody say? And you know.
Shrimp.
I know what she's having.
I'm gonna go to tofu. Oh.
We have to start shooting now! Now, people! Katanga! Where are the gummies?
We are doing a capsule gourmet collection.
Action!
Where's the ice?
No ice.
No ice.
No ice.
Nice.
Nice.
Do you know who's in charge of this local IGA? Not the owner, Mike. It's Bandit. He knows who'll get what he wants. Because there's a place that lends a hand to every local person. Or pup.
And then he has to fight all these crazy enemies before...
Giving practical advice with easy-to-follow steps. And it's all based on love.
She's crushed, but finally he comes to his senses and they get together. It's just the best. Anyway,
You have to read it.
If I told you this was my car, you'd probably think I meant this car. But when I say this is my car, I mean all of this. This is my car.
great job today, guys. It's been a long day, so go get some rest and I'll talk to you soon.
Hi, Davey.
Oh, hey, Mum.
Here are the UDL cocktails. And refreshingly, he is not an influencer to promote them.
They taste like dancing feels.
And that's great dancing, Oliver.
Thank you for your feedback.
You do you.
Hungry Jack's Baconator's back.
Oh, what's better than bacon?
More bacon.
Get a Baconator Deluxe.
Seeing that photo of myself on stage, my heart sank. I didn't even recognise myself. I had to make a change, not only for myself, but for my family. I've struggled a lot with weight over the years. I've tried other diets, but nothing's worked for me like Jenny Craig.
Oh, that's my kind of beer.
Yeah, it's also my kind of beer. Spill. Easygoing lager. It's your kind of beer. Petey.
No, it wasn't me, it was...
No biggie. A wet bit of paper towel will clean that right up.
If you want to see properties early, you can get off-market alerts on the Domain app.
Alerts? That's far more convenient.
Happy anniversary, my love. I got you something. It's nothing. Actually, it's pretty big.
You didn't. Sick.